Second turn now, NBC5 investigates and an update to a story we brought you yesterday. We spoke with a young woman detained in an ICE detention facility. Her Chicago lawyer is now fighting to get her out. And today, for the first time, we're hearing from the Trump administration about her case. NBC5's Rose Schmidt is in the newsroom with their response tonight. Rose?
Well, Stefan, attorneys for Maria Rosa Lopez say she's done nothing wrong and she has no criminal record. They're awaiting a judge's decision about her case. Today, the Department of Homeland Security is defending her detention, saying, quote, being in detention is a choice. They're encouraging her instead to self-deport.
Maria Rosa Lopez was 17 years old when she fled El Salvador alone and came to the U.S. in 2021. She was granted SIJ classification, a special protection given to abused, abandoned, and neglected children. In May of this year, ICE arrested her. She's been held at this facility in Missouri ever since.
Her mental health is deteriorating, being in ICE detention. Absolutely.
The Department of Homeland Security oversees ICE. In a statement Thursday, they told NBC5 Investigates she has no legal status to be in the United States. A pending or approved petition for SIJ classification doesn't confer any legal status. Her attorney, Laura Smith, says that demonstrates the administration's desire to detain and remove vulnerable immigrant children.
Are you concerned Maria will get removed?
I'm concerned she will stay in ICE detention until we win. Obviously, I can't promise anything, but Congress absolutely made clear that people with special immigrant juvenile status should remain in the United States and should be able to adjust their status to residence.
The National Immigrant Justice Center explains this protection is a pathway to citizenship as someone waits their turn to become a legal permanent resident.
So you just can't quite predict when they're going to be able to adjust status. And that's by no fault of the child, again, who has met everything the government has asked of them.
DHS told us undocumented immigrants who use the CBP Home app to self-deport are eligible for $2,600 and a free flight. DHS says if they don't take advantage of the offer, quote, you will be arrested and deported without a chance to return. Smith is hopeful for a good outcome in Maria's case. But in the meantime,
she could give up, right? Anybody sitting in ICE detention for no reason, waiting for their turn to adjust status, might give up and want to return, and that would be a horrible violation of her rights.
The Trump administration also says Maria will receive due process and she will remain in ICE custody pending the outcome of her immigration proceedings. Stefan, back to you in the studio.
Rose Schmidt asking questions. We appreciate the response. Thank you so much.